Are you looking to downsize to an active adult community? 10 minutes to Disney with tons of amenities and lots big enough to build a beautiful pool like the one behind me? Well, if so, I've got a great home for you. Let's go. Hello and welcome to another episode of Orlando Home Show, where strategy matters, passion rules. And guys, if you are looking to kind of retire and downsize into an active adult community of 55 plus, I've got a beautiful model to show you. It's a 2 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, 2-car garage, just about 1,599 square foot. So the first thing that I do want to point out is that you get the pavers as a standard feature with this builder, both in front and at the back. So let's go ahead and check rest of the house out. Hi guys, welcome to this beautiful builder model, and as I was stating, it's actually a 2 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, just about 1,599 square foot. The base price on this house is at about $433,990, and the lot sizes over here are 50 by 120 or over. So the width is always going to be 50, but in terms of the depth, or maybe a width is a little bit different depending upon if it's a corner lot or not. And the lot prices are anywhere from 55 to about $75,000. Now, this is a really nice community, and if you are ever thinking about moving to beautiful sunny Central Florida, this is a great community. You are literally 10 minutes to Disney. So as I walk in, the first thing that I want to mention is that the ceiling height, which is a standard feature with this builder for this community, is 10 feet. So you get this 10 feet. As I walk in, it's going to have a lot of bells and whistles. The first thing is that you have this tray ceiling, like a little rotunda as you enter. And then you have a bedroom up front with a full bathroom. So let's go in and check this bedroom out. Look at the size of this bedroom, guys. This is really comfortable. Now, it's only a 1,600 square foot, but it's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, 2-car garage, and you can have a golf cart in this community. It's actually sitting on a golf community. So and all the amenities that you get here are just fantastic. Now guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so, because I bring you these model homes all throughout Central Florida every single week. I post about 8+ videos every single month. So if you haven't done that, please go ahead, show us some love and subscribe to my channel. So what I want to point out is this actually is not a stone upgrade. Is just a wallpaper that gives you that feeling. So, you know, what I really like when I look at these model homes is that, you know, the way it is decorated. And if you are looking to build or buy a home, or you have already done that, watch a few of my videos, because I really show you how the whole house is decorated. You can really get some great ideas. And talking about that, if you are in the market looking to buy, guys, come on down now. Don't wait 6 months, 12 months. You know, even if you are 12 months out, don't wait for that long, because what's going on is that the prices are going up, and some builders are having escalation clause in their contract. What that does is basically they say, hey, we're going to sell you this house for $450. But if we start building your house 3 months down the road and the prices have gone up because of either the labor or the material, and it would be $500, we're going to come back to you and say, hey. So not everybody is doing that, but there are some builders that are doing that. So you may want to be very careful. The other thing that I want to point out is that you have a really nice big window bringing in a lot of light. You also have a little walk-in closet. It's not very deep, but it's pretty comfortable. You know, it's mainly for people, you know, that have completely retired. They're looking for a good community, an active community, then this is really good. And as I go in, this is your bathroom. You have a shower tub combination. That transom is actually a standard feature. What not standard is that you see these tiles, they're going all the way up. That is actually a design feature. So you usually get it till like about 8 feet. So keep that in mind. Of course, they have a good combination of 2 different tiles. I've actually also seen where this subway tile goes all the way back with a little piece of decoration right in the middle, or a design. And that's actually also very good. You do get granite. However, in this model home, of course, you have the cabinets upgraded, you have the cards. So keep those things in mind, not to mention this beautiful wood floor. So you have that over here, and you also have a small linen closet right over here, or a coat closet for 3 days that it gets cold. So it goes a little bit deep. So this house actually has a lot of optional design features and also some structural features. Like one of this is this cavity over here. This kind of gives you a really nice definition. You come in, you can use this wall as your own house, like whatever you want to do in terms. But what I really like is as you go in, it just opens up. I'm like, I have seen this. Now, the other thing that I do want to mention to you is that this is actually a gas community. So you have gas appliances. So I know, some people are really big on gas and they really want that. Now, keep in mind that if you look at a community and that is not a gas community, there is a good possibility that they may allow you to actually, after you close, and you get the approval of the HOA, you can actually have a tank buried, but this community itself is a gas community, so that's good. You have a really nice big island. Of course, everything over here is an upgrade, including the extra lights that you see in the kitchen, the tray ceiling, so you have a design option for an upgraded gourmet kitchen package right there. A lot of shelving, a lot of place, and as I go down, right behind this door is the 2-car garage. I'm not going to go in because this is a builder model and they are using it as an office. You have this station, which is actually an upgrade. So if that is something you want to do, you can definitely do that. And then right over here is your laundry, a really good size. But what I do want to point out is that you do have an option to actually have a wash sink if that's what you want. And then you have the cabinets over here, so very comfortable. And then right across from me is your small pantry right over here. So it really gives you a lot of options. Put in the comment below, let me know what you think of this specific model. It's only 2.2, but it's really good, and I have heard this from my clients, and I'm not saying it's necessarily you, but they're like, what, we want to retire, we just want to play with our kids, our grandkids, and the best thing about the grandkids is you play with them and then you give it to the parents. You did your part, right? I have 2 small kids and I'm doing my part, so I'm way behind on that game, I guess. But you have this little area, kind of a semi-private dining area, and then you also have all this area to you. Of course, it's a builder model, so you have these beams, your extra lights, so those are options. And then you also have this little wood frame thing done right behind the wall. It kind of defines the wall. It gives you a good outlook. Now, right around it is my master bedroom. So let me go in. What I really like before I go in, that it kind of curves in. So you have a little privacy kind of thing, so nobody can kind of peep straight into the master bedroom. And as you come in, look at the size of this bedroom. Now, one of the reasons that I always try to stand in the corner, and my camera guy every now and then tell me to stay a little bit away from these lights because it kind of washes me out. But, I want to show you how deep the room is. Of course, you have the tray ceiling. It has the audio connection all throughout the house, so it's kind of connected in that. But look at your master bathroom. Wow. You have the 2 sinks, a single vanity, really nice. But what I really like is you have a frameless walk-in shower. And what I really like with the design option is that you get 2 design, like you can do this if that's what you want, but you have this transoms bringing in good light, and you have an option to have a rain shower if that's what you would like to do. And then you also have your commode area right over here, very comfortable. And your walk-in closet is right around here. Now, this is something called a California closet. Now, this is, of course, an upgrade. And I will tell you, if you haven't watched my video on, Design Center do's and don'ts, then please make sure that you do that. I'm going to put in a link in the description also, or I'll put a little card up here, because I have seen where clients have kind of got in and it's a $400,000 home or $500,000 home, and they're spending like 20-30% on design options. If you have the funds for it, by all means do that, but you don't want to overdo it, that it doesn't bring much value. Like, it looks great and whatnot, but when you come to resell, you want to do things like your kitchen. You want to definitely get a chef's kitchen or a master, you upgrade in your kitchen or bathrooms, then to do everything that you would want to do. So I hope that makes sense. So the other thing that I also wanted you to know is that this community has a lot of amenities, and the HOA is only $255 a month. Yes, there is a CDD, which is about $1,500, and $38 for the whole year, which is kind of built in with your taxes. So what I really like is that you have a big lot, you know, and you can make a pool as beautiful as this, you know. And the other thing that I do want to point out, I kind of passed by it and I just realized you could actually plumb this for summer kitchen area if that's what you want. Now this one does have an extended lanai. Usually your lanai is going to be pretty much from here, so if you want to do an extension you could always do that, and then you can always get this screened if that's what you want to do. Let me know what you think of this, and guys, remember, I don't work for the builder. To use my services is absolutely free. Call me, text me, email me, and yes, you are going to reach me. I know in the past somebody has called me and they're like, am I talking to Dee? And I'm like, yeah, and they don't believe me. I don't know, maybe I sound a little bit different or something, but no, when you call me, that's my personal cell phone number. You reach out to me. I'm really very good in responding back. So if you need suggestions, if you are looking for 55 plus, or you're just looking for a nice home to build from ground up, our channel is a great resource, and we absolutely love. I have a small team and we can help you to make this transition a lot easier. So please go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget, I don't work for the builder, I work for you, and for you to hire me does not cost you anything. Until the next video, bye for now. Thank you for watching.